I'm Brenda Moore, and I'm the chair of the Food Sharing Project, which is the organization that provides the breakfast, lunch, and hearty snack programs that operate in 88 elementary and secondary schools across Kingston and the counties of Frontenac and Lennox and Addington. In a typical school year, 16,000 students, which is about half of all the students enrolled in our area, take advantage of the fresh fruit and vegetables, dairy and protein and whole grain items that are available for them at school. Follow me into our warehouse and I'll tell you more about our work. Each week of the school year, our team of 12 volunteers pack 450 boxes of food, and we deliver to schools in 4 public school boards in our community. Prior to the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the value of that food was $12,000 per week. In 2020, that number had skyrocketed to $21,000 worth of food every week. School coordinators were telling us that the kids were so hungry and they couldn't keep up with the demand for the healthy meals and snacks that they made available to every student who was looking for something to eat, no questions asked. Beginning in March 2020, and whenever schools were closed due to the pandemic, we shifted to a home delivery model because families needed our help more than ever. By August 2020, 900 families had taken advantage of our delivery service and received a bi-weekly box of fresh food right at their door. Students tell us that the fresh food that they have at school makes a difference for them. Elementary students tell us that sometimes it's the best food they have all day. They ask their families for apples like they have at school, and they cheer when there's broccoli in their food box. Secondary students tell us that the food that they can pick up on the way to class just helps them get there. And a graduating student said that he would have had to quit school and get a job to help with the family income if he and his siblings hadn't been able to access good food at school. In our community, many families are working hard to make ends meet, and it's the fresh fruit and vegetables and dairy that's often out of reach for them. So when we can feed their children at school, they can pay the rent and the hydro and have money left over to put gas in the car to get to work. Students come to school without enough to eat for a variety of reasons. Educators and researchers tell us that when students can access fresh food at school, they're more engaged in their learning, they can focus better on their tasks, and they're more likely to have positive social interactions throughout the school day. In addition, they're more willing to try something new, and perhaps that will lead to healthier food choices as an adult. Accessible school nutrition programs are not only an investment in the health and well-being of our students, they give students an opportunity to take advantage of everything school has to offer them and work towards a bright future.